Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we are going to take a look at the SUMIF function. SUMIF is a function that helps us to sum the values in a range that meets specified criteria. In this example, I have a table that contains some stock quantity information placed at different rows. Suppose we need to know how many stocks does IT department have. Based on that criteria, we can do it very quickly by SUMIF. First, I will pick a cell for us to input the criteria and a cell to display the result. What I'm going to do is to type the formula on the cell that we need to display the result equals to SUMIF. Then we need to select the range of cells that we want to evaluate by the criteria. Comma. And then select the criteria that define the cells will be at. Comma. And finally, we need to select the sum range, which is the actual cells we need to add. And then we'll type the criteria here. Now we can see that the result is displayed. The next thing I would like to talk about is the SUMIFS. Sometimes we might want to sum up the results that meet multiple criteria. In our previous example, if this time we want to get our results summed up by the department and item code, let's see how can we do that. Again, I will pick a cell for the criteria and a cell for the result. And I will type department, IT, and the item code 10002. Now, what I'm going to do is to type the SUMIF formula on the result cell. Equals to SUMIFS, open bracket. SUMIFS is actually very similar to SUMIF, but this time we need to put the sum range first, comma, and select our range of criteria 1, comma, then select the criteria cell we want, comma. Finally, we select our range of criteria 2, comma, and then select the cell of the criteria 2. Close the bracket. We can see that now the result is summed up by 2 criteria. Now we can try to change the value to see if the formula works fine. For example, if we change the item code to 1003, and then we can try to change to MKT, and the item code is 100001, and value is 2. Great, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please give me a like. See you